Good evening everyone and welcome back to Innovators 07, that is Zoo all in one. Today I'm going to start with NCERT CBSE Standard 9 lesson number 1 number system exercise 1.1 which is on textbook page number 5. Okay, so first sum it says, is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the P upon Q form where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0? So I say yes, 0 is a rational number. So you can write 0 upon 1, 0 upon 2 and so on. The second sum says find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Okay, so here we are going to use the formula d is equal to y minus x n plus 1. So my 3 is going to be x and y is going to be 4. Okay, so 4 minus 3 and we have to find 6. So n मैंने 6 लिया है, so it becomes 1 upon 7. So now you have to find x plus d, 6 numbers find करने, right? x plus 2d, x plus 3d, x plus 4d, x plus 5d and x plus 6d. So you are starting with the first one, x plus d. So what was the first number? X we have taken as 3. So 3 plus the ratio we have got as 1 upon 7. So instead of d we are going to write 1 upon 7. So यहाँ पे हम LCM लेंगे. So we are going to multiply by 7. 7 3s are 21 plus 1 upon 7. So the first number is 22 upon 7. Next we are going to find x plus 2d. Again our x is 3. 2 into d we got 1 upon 7. Okay. So this becomes 3 plus 2 upon 7. So again we are going to multiply by 7. So this becomes 21 plus 2 upon 7, which becomes 23 upon 7. Next we are going to find x plus 3d, which is 3 plus 3 into 1 upon 7. So this becomes 3 plus 3 upon 7. So again we are going to multiply by 7. 21 plus 3 upon 7, which becomes 24 upon 7. Next we are going to find the fourth one, x plus 4d. 3 plus 4 into 1 upon 7, which becomes 3 plus 4 upon 7 multiply by 7. So 21 plus 4 upon 7, which becomes 25 upon 7. Next x plus 5d. So 3 plus 5 into 1 upon 7. 3 plus 5 upon 7. You are going to multiply by 7. So 21 plus 5 upon 7, which becomes 26 upon 7. And the last x plus 6d, which is 3 plus 6 into 1 upon 7. 3 plus 6 upon 7, we are going to multiply by 7. So 21 plus 6 upon 7, which is 27 upon 7. So the numbers, the 6 numbers are, yes, 22 upon 7, 23 upon 7, 24 upon 7, 25 upon 7, 26 upon 7 and 27 upon 7. Okay, we are going to start with the next sum. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. So first my x is going to be 3 upon 5 and my y is going to be 4 upon 5. We are going to solve this same as we did the second sum. Okay, and what is going to be my n? 5 rational numbers. So n is going to be 5. So what's the formula? D is equal to y minus x upon n plus 1. So y is 4 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5 upon 5 plus 1. Now यहाँ पे 5 कॉमन है, so I'll take 5 common. 4 minus 3 and 5 plus 1 is 6. So 4 minus 3 is, yes, it's 1. 1 upon 5 upon 6. Okay, so now this goes reciprocal. Now this becomes 1 upon 6. So this becomes 1 upon 30. Okay, is this fine? Okay, now what's my fraction? My fraction is 1 upon 30. So now next formula. First you have to find x plus d, right? So x was 3 upon 5 and my fraction was 1 upon 30. So what you do? Yes, you're going to take the LCM. 30, 5 के टेबल में 30 कितनी बार जाता है? 6 बार. So 3 6 are 18 plus 1. My first fraction is 19 upon 30. Second, x plus 2d. So my fraction is 3 upon 5. 2 into 1 upon 30. So I can cancel here. 2 1s are, 2 15s are. So my LCM here will become 15. 5 के टेबल में 15 3 बार जाता है. So I'm going to multiply up and down by 15. So my second fraction is 10 upon 15. I can still cancel this. 5 2s are, 5 3s are. So I can make it 2 upon 3. So next is, yes, very good, x plus 3d. Yes. So 3 upon 5 is x. 3 into 1 upon 30. 3 1s are, 3 10s are. It gets cancelled. So now my denominator is 10. 5 के टेबल में 2 जाता है. So multiplying 2 up and down. 3 2s are 6 plus 1. Okay. So this becomes 7 upon 10. X plus 4d is the next. So 3 upon 5 is my x. 4 into 1 upon 30. 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 5s are. और ज़्यादा splitting नहीं होता है. So we'll take 15 as 15 3 बार जाता है. 3 3s are 9 plus 2. That becomes 11 upon 15. And the last fraction, x plus 5d, because they have asked only 5 numbers. So 3 plus 5 into 1 upon 30. 5 1s are, 5 6s are. So my LCM is 6. यहाँ कुछ नहीं है तो we will take it as, no, 5 है यहाँ पे, right? 5 6 are, again the fraction becomes 30. So 5 6 are and 5s are. Okay, so 3 6 are 18. 5 18 plus 5 23 upon 30. So what is the answer? What are the fractions? The fractions are 19 upon 30, 2 upon 3, 7 upon 10, 11 upon 15 and 23 upon 30. Okay, going on to the next question. True or false? State whether the following statements are true or false. Give reasons for your answer. First one, every natural number is a whole number. So here the answer is true. Now because whole number, a natural number starts from 1 2 3 4 and whole number starts from 0. So yes, we can say every natural number is a whole number. Second, every integer is a whole number. No, false. Now integer starts from -1, -2, -3 also are included, whereas whole number starts from 0. So you can't say every integer is a whole number. Every rational number is a whole number. Again this is also false, because rational numbers के अंदर fractions भी आते हैं और whole number में fractions नहीं आते. So every rational number cannot be a whole number. So this ends at the first exercise, which is on page 1.1. Okay, we are starting with exercise 1.2. Here again the first question is, state whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. The first one, every irrational number is a real number. So this is true. Yes, every irrational number is a real number. So This is true. Second, every point on the number line is in the form of root m, where m is a natural number. So this is false. Okay, because negative numbers can also be square, so we cannot take the risk. Next, every real number is an irrational number. This is also false. If the irrational number, if you want to represent, it can be a real number also. So this is also false. Going on to the next question, are the square roots of all positive integers irrational? No, there can be also rational. For example, square root of 4 is 2, square root of 9 is 3. So every number cannot be irrational. Going on to question number 3. Show that root 5 can be represented on a number line. So for this, I am going to draw a number line. Here you can see I have drawn a line and I have marked from the distance of 2 centimeters. Now I am going to draw a 2 centimeter on 2 as well. Okay, and naming it as PQ. Then I am going to join it to O and it becomes OPQ, and let us say this is a perpendicular triangle. Now by taking OP as a distance, we are going to make an arc and we are going to cut an arc on the line. So this becomes root 2. So the distance here, sorry, root 5 we are drawing. This becomes root 5. Now how we are going to check it? Let us say in right angled triangle OPQ, angle OQP is 90 degrees. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, this is the hypotenuse. So OP square is equal to OQ square plus PQ square. So we are finding the hypotenuse. Okay, OQ we have taken as 2 centimeters, so 2, and OPQ is 1. So 2 ka square and 1 ka square, so 4 plus 1. So OP square will be 5. So taking square roots, we get OP as root 5. So this is how we draw root 5 on a number line. Okay, continuing with 1.3. This is on textbook page number 14. First question. Write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. So first is 13. देखो 2 0 नीचे है तो 2 numbers छोड़ के हमें point डालना है. Okay, so this is your answer. Now because you have a definite answer, so this is terminating. It has terminate. It has come to an end. So this is terminating decimal. Okay, fine. The second one, it says 1 upon 11. So if I divide 1 by 11, I know 1 is a small number, I cannot do the division, so I put a 0 and a point. तो यहाँ पे भी 0 आ जाएगा. But again 10 is smaller than 11, so I put a 0 up and a 0 down. Now this becomes 100. So 11 nines are, we all know it is 99. So एक बचेगा. Fine, cancellation के बाद. And then point तो डाला हुआ है तो 0 automatic आ जाएगा. But again, so you continue with a 0 up and a 0 down. Again a 9. So you get 99. And this goes on. So because this is going on and there is no end, so what we do, what are the numbers that are repeating? These numbers are repeating. So we put a bar line on it and we write it as non-terminating. It is not coming to an end. Okay, going on to the third one. 4 1 upon 8. Now as you can see, this is a mixed fraction. So we multiply 4 into 8 plus 1 upon 8. So 4 8s is 32. 32 plus 1 is 33. So the fraction is 33 upon 8. So now I do the division with 33 inside and 8 outside. So what do I get? 8 4s are 32, right? So 1 is remaining. I put a point. It becomes 0. 8 1s are 8. 2 is remaining, 0. 8 2s are is 16. 4 remaining, 0. 8 5s are 40. So I get a 0 as my answer. Yes, so the division has ended. So this is terminating. So I hope you have understood what is terminating and non-terminating by now. Yes, the fourth one is 3 upon 13. So 3 upon 13. So I'm going to divide 3 by 13. Now 3 is smaller, so I put a 0 here and a 0 here. 13 2s are 26. So 4 0 40. 13 3s are 39. 1 0. Okay, so yes, 13 के टेबल में next 10 doesn't go, so I put a 0 up and a 0 down. Then yes 100. So we continue this. 13 yes 7s are 91, so I get a 9 0. So 13 6s are 78. I'll continue here. Fine. So I get a 2 and how can I get a 2 and 2 here? So I get a 12 here, then again a 0, and I take 39s 117, and then I get a 3 again, and the whole thing is going to start again. So 0.230769, this digit is going to repeat. So we end it as saying non-terminating. Fine. We'll go on to the fifth sum. Fifth sum says 2 upon 11. So again we are going to do the division of 11 outside, 2 inside. This becomes 11 1s are 90, 11 8s are 88. So 2, अरे ये तो यहीं पर repeat हो रहा है. So 0.18 means 18 is going to be repeating. This is non-terminating. I hope you all are understanding. We'll go on to the sixth one. 329 upon 400. I'm going to split this as 329 4 into 100. Is this okay? Means I'm going to divide 329 by 4. So 4 8s are 32, 0 0, 9 comes down. 4 2s are 8, 1. I put a point. Then 4 2s are 8 again. 2 0, 4 5s are 20. Okay, so I got an answer as 82.25 upon 100. So हमको क्या करना है, 2 0 है तो 2 नंबर पे शिफ्ट करना है. So 0.8. So again I have got a definite answer. So it is a terminating. Fine. So we are finished with question number 1. Okay, going on to question number 2. You know that 1 upon 7 is 0.1428757. Can you predict what the decimal expansion of 2 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 6 upon 7 are without actually doing the long division? If so, how? Okay, so we start with the first one. It says this is already given to us that 1 upon 7 is 0.14287. So this is given. Okay, so we're going to start with 2 upon 7. So instead of 2 upon 7, can I write 2 1 into 7? सो 2 और 1/7 की जगह मैं लिखूँगी 0.142857. So what I am going to do is 0.142857 into 2. 2 sevens are 14, 2 fives are 10 and 1 11, 2 eights are 16 and 1 17, 2 twos are 4 and 1 5, 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2.0. So what answer I get? 0.285714, and I put a bar on this. So without doing the division we have found out, right? Easy. Next is 4/7. Again 4 into 1/7. So 4 into 0.142857. So what we are going to do is 0.142857 into 4. 7 fours are 28, 4 fives are 20 and 2 22, 4 eights are 32 and 2 34, 4 twos are 8 9 10 11, 4 fours are 16 and 1 17, 4 ones are 4 and 1 5. So what's the answer? 0.571428. Next we go on. I'll just turn the page, give me a moment. Yes, so next is, I hope you can see, 5/7. So what we will do, 5 into 1/7, which is 5 into 0.142857. So 0.142857 into 5. 5 sevens are 35, 5 fives are 25 and 3 28, 5 eights are 40 and 2 42, 5 twos are 10 and 4 14, 5 fours are 20 and 1 21, 5 ones are 5 and 2 7. So the answer is 0.714285. Next it says 5 हो गया, yes, 6/7, the last one. So 6 into 1/7. So again 0.142857 into 6. 42, 5 6 are 30 and 4 34, 49 50 51, 12 13 14 15 16 17, 24 and 1 25, 6 ones are 6 7 8 and a 0. So get 0.857142 and a bar on it. So we are finished with question number 2. Okay, coming to question number 3. Express the following in P upon Q form, where P upon Q are integers and P is not equal to 0. First sum is 0.6 bar. Now this we have to solve in 3 steps. First step, whatever is the question B, you have to put it to x. Let x is equals to the question and mark it as 1. Then see how many numbers are there after the point 1. So you are going to multiply the equation by 10 on both sides. Now because 1 digit is there, therefore 10. If 2 digits, then 100. If 3 digits, then 1000 and so on. So because 1 digit, so I am going to multiplying by 10. So this becomes 10x is equals to 6.66. I have just shifted. I have already multiplied and shifted, and I am marking it as equation 2. Now this was the second step. Third step is subtracting equation 1 and 2. So subtracting equation 1 and 2, what you get? 10x minus x and 6.66 minus 0.6. So 10 में से 1 गया तो you get 9x, और ये ये तो बार है ना, सो यू कैन पुट एज मेनी 6 एज यू वांट. सो ये पॉइंट वाले 6 चले जाएंगे एंड यू हैव द होल नंबर 6. सो व्हाट विल बी x विल बी 6 एंड दिस 9 कम्स डाउन. ये दोनों 3 के टेबल में कैंसिल होते हैं. 3 2s are 3 3s are. So x will be 2/3. Fine. We'll go on to the second sum. Second sum, it says 0.47 bar. Right. So again we'll do in the 3 step. First step, let whatever is the number be x, that is 0.47, and mark it as 1. Next, कितने digits है? 2 digit है. So I'm going to multiply by 100. So multiplying by 100 on both sides. So what do you get? 100x is equals to 47. Already have multiplied 0.47 and marked it as 2. Then the last step, subtracting equation 1 from 2. So what do you get? 100x minus x, 47.47 minus 0.47. So 100 में से 1 गया तो you get 99x, और ये पॉइंट्स चले जाएंगे, so you just get 47. So what will be x? X will be 47 upon upon 99. So we continue with the third one, that is 0.001. As I said, the first step, let x is equals to 0.001, right? So I'm going to mark it as equation 1. Now because point के बाद 3 numbers है, so what we are going to do, we are going to multiply the equation. Okay, we are going to continue with sum number 3. Here it says 0.001. So point के बाद 3 numbers है, so first step I am going to take the number as x, and point के बाद 3 numbers है, so I am going to multiply by 1000 on both sides. So what do I get? 1000x and 1.001. Okay, and I am going to mark it as 2. So subtracting equation 2 from 1. So what do you get? 1000x minus x is equal to 1.001 minus 0.001. So ये point cancel हो जाएगा. This becomes 9x is equals to 1, or x is equals to 1 upon 999. Okay, next it says express 0.9999 in the form P upon Q. Are you surprised by your answer? With your teacher and classmate, discuss why the answer makes sense. So we start again. जो भी क्वेश्चन है, let it be equal to x. So now I'm going to take point के बाद 9 recurring है, तो 9 के ऊपर हम बार लगा देंगे, and I'm going to make it as 1. Now point के बाद एक ही नंबर है, so we are going to multiply the equation by 10. So what do you get? 10x is equal to 9.9, and I'm marking it as 2. So next step, yes, subtracting equation 1 and 2. Yeah, 2 from 1. So 10x minus x is equal to 9.9 minus 0.9. 9 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 10 में से 1 गया तो 9x, जैसे से मैंने कहा पॉइंट कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो 9 रहेगा. x is equal to 9 upon 9. 9 1s are 9 1s are. X is equals to 1. So this is the answer. Yes, this is surprising me because 0.999 is equal to 1. So integers decimal से आपको एक whole number मिल रहा है. So therefore the answer is surprising. Okay, we're starting with the next sum. What can be the maximum number of digit be in the repeating block of the digit in the decimal expansion of 1 divided by 17? Perform the division to check your answer. So we have to divide 17 by 1. I've written the 17 table for an ease. So let's start the division. 1 जाएगा नहीं, so I put a 0 point, so it becomes 10. 10 भी नहीं जाएगा, so I'll put another 0, so it becomes 100. So nearest is 5s are 85. So 85 जाएगा तो बचेगा 15. So 150. 150 किसके नज़दीक है? Yes, 8 के, that is 136. So 4 remaining, 14. Again 136. Again 4 remaining, 40. So I can say 2s are 34. 6. Then I can say 3s are 51. Okay, 9 remaining. So again 5s are 85. 5 remaining, 50. So we can say 2s are 34. 6, 16. So 160 नज़दीक है. 9s are 153. 7. So we can go 4s are 68. 1s are 17. So I'll continue the division here. Then again 1s are 7. Then I can take 7s are. I hope you can see. Then I can take 6s are. Then I can take 4s are. Then after 4 again 7s are. Again I get 1. Yes, so finally the things have been repeating. So I can count the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 digits के बाद repetition हो रहा है. So the answer will be 16 digits. Going on to the next sixth sum. Look at several examples of rational numbers in the form p upon q. Q is not equal to 0, where p and q are integers with no common factors other than 1 and having terminating decimal representation, that is expansion. Can you guess what property q must satisfy? So here this is, we can take any rational number. So I am taking 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4, 5 upon 8, 36 upon 25, 19 upon 20, etc. Okay, you can take more if you want. So let's start with first 1 upon 2. So if I multiply 2 by 5, I get in the denominator 10. Okay, so my answer will be, because 1 0 तो एक number छोड़ के point, so it becomes 1.5. Same if I do with 4. So if I multiply 4 by 25, so 1 also by 25, so I get 100. So दो numbers छोड़ के point. Next number 5 upon 8. So I'm multiplying 8 by 125. So I have to multiply 5 also by 125. I get 625 and I get 1000 in the denominator. So 3 numbers छोड़ के point. ठीक है. Next 36 upon 25. So I'm multiplying 25 by 4. So I have to multiply 36 also by 4. So I get 100 in the denominator and 144. So दो numbers छोड़ के point. ठीक है. Next I'm taking 19 upon 20. So I'm going to multiply 20 by 5. So I have to multiply 19 also by 5. So I get 95 upon 100. दो numbers छोड़ के point. So this is how we put the decimal values. So here what I can say, any number is in the form either 2 raised to m or 5 raised to n. Okay. So either you are taking 2 or you are taking 5. See in the denominators. So these are multiples of 2's and 5's to get a whole decimal. Therefore here you can say q is in power of 2 or 5 or both. I hope you have understood this. Now this is an easy sum. Write 3 numbers whose decimal expansions are non-terminating, non-recurring. So I can write 0.01, 001, 0001, 0001 and so on. Second, I am writing 0.20, 200, 2000 and so on. Third, I am writing 003, 0003, 4 times 03 and so on. So these are non-recurring or non-terminating numbers. Moving on to the next. Find 3 different irrational numbers between the rational numbers 5 divided by 7 and 9 divided by 11. So I'm going to carry out 2 divisions, 5 divided by 7. So let us do that first. Start with the 0. 7 sevens are 49. 7 ones are 7. 7 fours are 28. 7 twos are 14. 7 eights are 56. 7 fives are 35. Okay, so I get a 5 again. So 5 upon 7 I got 0.714285 bar. Bar means this sum is going to be repeated. So now this side I am going to carry out the second division, that is 9 by 11, right? So 0.0, 11 eights are 88. 2 0, 11 ones are 11, 9 अरे तो again 8s are 88, 1s are 11. So 9 by 11 I got 0.81 bar. So what numbers we want? We want numbers in between 0.71 and 0.81. So you can write any 2 numbers, okay, in between these 2 numbers. So I'm writing 0.73073000. Okay, I can write 0.76. See, 71 और 81 के बीच में. So I'm writing 73, 76. Any numbers you can write. And I'm writing 80. Okay, so any three numbers. Okay, again this the last one, classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. First one, it says root 23, so if I remove the root I get an answer 4.79583152 and so on. So this is non-recurring, so it is irrational. Second, root 225, ये किसका root है भाई? 15. So I get a terminating answer, so this is a rational number. Next, 0.3796. Okay, this also has a terminating. Okay, बार बार कुछ है नहीं इस पे, so this is also rational number. Next, 7.478478 ... 4. Now ... है means it is non-terminating, means it is rational number. क्यों? क्योंकि 478 ये जो है वो रिपीट हो रहा है. और नेक्स्ट इज 0.010010001. अब यहाँ पे रिपीटेशन नहीं है, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग है, सो ये क्या है? इरैशनल नंबर. So I hope you have understood this exercise. Okay, going on to the next exercise. Exercise 1.4. Fine. Question number 1. It says again classify as rational or irrational. Okay. So the first number is 2 minus root 5. Now 2 is rational, minus 5 is irrational. So rational को irrational से subtract करेंगे तो you always get an irrational answer. So this is an irrational number. Second, 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. So if I open the brackets, okay, this plus root 23 minus root 23 gets cancelled and I get 3. 3 is a rational number. Right? Next, going on to the third sum. 2 root 7, 7 root 7. Root 7 gets cancelled. 2 upon 7. Again, this is a rational number. Next, 1 upon root 2. Now here 1 is rational, root 2 is irrational. So if you divide a rational with an irrational number, you get an irrational answer. Next is 2 pi. Again 2 is rational, pi is irrational, so this becomes a irrational number. Next is say simplify. Now I have 3 plus root 3, 2 plus root 2. So I'm going to break one bracket and the second bracket remains the same. So first number I write of the first bracket, then I'm going to repeat the second bracket, then the second number of the first bracket and repeat the second bracket. Now multiply. 2 3s are 6, 3 root 2, again 2 root 3, root 3 into root 2. ठीक है? So this 6 remains as it is. इसको भी आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते because the radicants are different, so you write it as it is. Yes, you can multiply this. 3 2s are 6. So this is going to be your answer. Second one, again the same method I'm going to follow. I'm going to break the first bracket and I'm going to repeat or the second bracket. Now multiply. 3 3s are 9. This is minus 3 root 3. This is plus 3 root 3. And this is plus minus minus root 3 into root 3. So plus minus gets cancelled. I get 9. And root 3 into root 3 is 3. 9 में से 3 गया 6. So the second answer is 6. I hope you are understanding. Third sum. Third sum is root 5 plus root 2 the whole square. Now I am going to open it by the formula a plus b the whole square. The formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 5 square plus 2 into root 5 into root 2 plus root 2 square. So 5 का square है 25. Sorry, 5 का square है 5, root 5 का square. Then 2 into root 10 and 2 का square root 2 का square है 2. Now what do I do? 5 and 2 I am adding together. So this becomes 7 2 root 10. That's the answer. I can't do any further addition or subtraction. Moving on to the fourth sum. 5 minus root 2, 5 plus root 2. Again I am going to break the first bracket. So 5 plus root 2 minus 2, 5 plus root 2. 5 5s are 25. This becomes 5 root 2. 2 5s are 10. And this becomes, minus 2 root 2. Fine. So this becomes 25 minus 10 is 15. And here you can see same radicand, that is root 2. So 5 में से 2 गया 3. So the answer that I get here is 15 plus root 3. Here is one more method to solve the same sum. You can take it as here you can take 5 square minus root 2 square because एक बार प्लस है एक बार माइनस है. So 5 का स्क्वायर इज 25 एंड रूट का 2 रूट का स्क्वायर है 2. 25 में से 2 गया 23. Okay, starting with the next exercise. Here I says find first question 64 raised to half. So 64 is 8 ka square. So here 2 get cancelled and I get the answer as 8. Next is 32. If I factorize 32 I get 5 times 2. So I am writing 2 raised to 5. So 5 gets cancelled. I get the answer as 2. Next 16 raised to 3/4. Okay, so no, sorry. Next is 125 raised to 1 upon 3. So if I factorize 125, 5 2s are 5 5s are 5 1s are. So I can write 5 raised to 3 into 1 upon 3. So 5 3 into 1 upon 3. 3 gets cancelled. I get the answer as 5. Going on to the next sum. Again it says find. Here it says 9 3 raised to 2. So instead of 9 I can write 3 square and 3 upon 2. So 3 square into 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. 3 raised to 3, so 3 बार 3, इसका मीनिंग होता है 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Next sum, it says 32 2 raised to 5. 32 का मैंने फैक्टराइजेशन ऊपर के सम में ही बताया था, तो आई कैन डायरेक्टली राइट 2 raised to 5. So 2 raised to 5 into 2 upon 5, so 5 gets cancelled, so I get 2 raised to 2, so 2 2s is 4, so my answer will be 4. Third sum, 16 3 raised to 4. So if I factorize 16, okay, I can write 2 raised to 4. So 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4, 4 4 get cancels, 2 raised to 3, so 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 is the answer. 125 minus 1 upon 3, so this means it is 1 upon 125 raised to 1 upon 3. अगेन 125 का फैक्टराइजेशन मैंने ऊपर के सम में बताया है, सो आई कैन डायरेक्टली राइट 5 raised to 3 1 upon 3, so 3 3 get cancelled, this is 1 upon 5, or you can write 5 raised to minus 1 anyhow. Okay, so next question is simplify 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 1 upon 5. So here base is common, so I'm taking a common base 2. बचा 2 raised to 3, multiplication sign है, so plus 1 upon 5. So the base is common, but यहाँ पे I'm going to take a common LCM 15. यहाँ पे multiply by 5, यहाँ पे multiply by 3, so 2 5s are 10, 1 3s are 3. So this becomes 13 upon 15. Okay, we have to take the LCM. Second sum, it says 1 upon 3 raised to 3 the whole raised to 7. Okay, so say 1 upon 3 raised to 3, यहाँ पे 7 हो तो भी आंसर 1 ही आएगा, सो यू आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन द न्यूमरेटर, सो 3 7s is 21. Okay, so you can write this answer as 3 raised to minus 21 also, that is also right. Going on to the third sum, 11 raised to half upon 11 raised to 1/4. So again here common है 11, so I can write half, because division है I'm going to take a minus sign, is equal to 1 upon 4. So 11, इसका LCM निकालोगे तो 4 ही आएगा, इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, 2 minus 1, so 2 minus 1 is 1, answer will be. Okay, the fourth one, 7 raised to half into 8 raised to half. Here the powers are common, so I have taken the power common and the bases I have multiplied, 7 8s are 56 and half. So this ends the sum and the chapter 2. I hope you have understood the chapter and looking forward to solve more problems. Do subscribe my channel and let me know which other sums you want me to solve. Thank you for watching.